What's up, everyone? I'm very happy to be here today. Can't wait to show you, well, you're seeing it right now, the results of my lowering of the hairline with Scalp Logic. You can see it's a little difficult because of the lighting. It's washing out my results. Let's see what I can do here. There you go. This is good, right? You can see that how much they lowered the hairline down here, down to here. My hair originally stopped way up here, right about here. Unbelievable, right? The craziest part of this new result is the fact that I have my hair grown out right now. Do you see the difference there? My hair is grown out. As you can see, here's the SMP, here's the hair. My hair is grown out almost 7 days. Now, because of the type of hair that I have, this is awesome. Like, you can hardly even tell a difference. I mean, maybe now that I mentioned it, maybe you can tell, but you can hardly tell a difference. I mean, I was talking to people all day. No one said a word. No one was looking up there at my head, and nobody's noticing anything. No discrepancies. And I love that because that's what caused me to feel a little bit scared. I was like, I don't know if I want to lower the hairline, because if I lower the hairline, I'm going to have to shave all the time. And, you know, people might be able to tell if I grow my hair out, because unlike many people who get this procedure, I have a very large amount of hair. My hair is just very thin. So it looks like I'm bald when I'm not. So that's why I wanted to get this done originally. Now, we do have more work to do. I have one more session to go. They're going to finish some blending, and they're going to add some more density. As you can see, it's not, if I were to shave my head, which I'm actually about to do now, and I'll add that to the end of this video once I'm done shaving my head, so you guys can see exactly what it looks like without the hair. But it would appear to me right now that this could be definitely darkened. And of course, yes, because that's why I'm going back in the first place, right? They said that 3 sessions should do it, so I'm sure that that's what the case will be. And yeah, so I'm really excited, but let me get back to this video after I'm done shaving my head, and you guys will see it from there. And we're back. Shaved up, 0 hair on my head. Nothing, not any stubble at all. I love my razor, it's amazing. Anyway, take a close look. The dots in the front, the lowered hairline, are going to be more apparent because, as you guys might be aware, when you first get SMP, you got to give it a little time to die down and kind of blend in with the old SMP. And all this is old SMP. You may see a couple of dots on the top, even on the side. That's because those are fresh dots, because they saw some spots that they wanted to fill in. But overall, this is an old result because I've had 3 sessions in the past, and all the new dots have to kind of settle, right? But you can only tell that they're dots when you get really, really close from a normal distance. They look like they blend pretty well, even though they're a lot darker than the old result. And it looks really, really good. I think Joe and Nicole are going to be very happy with this result. And we'll be ready hopefully soon for the next session. I do have, you know, just keep in mind I have some like hair dust from shaving on my head, so that might affect the way it looks a little bit, but overall you're getting a good picture, a good idea of what this is. Let me tell you guys something. If you're on the fence about this, first of all, you have to know who to go to, and I would absolutely 100%, hands down, never recommend you to go to anybody other than Scalp Logic. But regardless, my head with this treatment looks so covered. Before this, guys, I don't know if you've seen my old videos where I show you what my head looks like shaved without scalp micropigmentation. Bald. Bald. I would look bald right now. I'd have no darkness on my head whatsoever. And even in this bright, bright, bright light, I have a beautiful dark shade. And not only do I have a dark shade, I have a lowered hairline that we're still working on, and that lowered hairline and the whole complete result in general changes with the light. How amazing is that? See, when you come under the light, it kind of washes out a little bit, which is great because that's what regular hair does. Not only is that great, but when you come up close in the bright light, if you're near people, they will never, ever know. Because this work it has no flaws. This work has no flaws because of the way that it's done. It's done in a multiple sessions with a tiny, tiny needle over a period of many, many hours. It's not 2 hours. It's not 2.5 hours. It's not a 3 needle, which is a thicker needle. You know what I mean? The work is done properly. Keep that in mind if you're thinking about this procedure, about this treatment, and make sure that you realize that not all artists are the same, okay? Not all artists are the same. Honestly, Joe and Nicole should not even be in the scalp micropigmentation industry. They should be in an industry all their own, completely different, because they don't do scalp micropigmentation. If you look at other people's results for scalp micropigmentation, you can see a clear as day difference. Joe and Nicole, they don't do scalp micropigmentation. They do subtle pigmentation. They make it look real. That's what I'm talking about. Anyway, hope this video is helping. I hope this content is helping you guys. And I know I've been pumping out a lot of SMP stuff lately, but it's what I'm doing right now. So hopefully you guys are enjoying it. I'll catch you guys in the next video.